Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's to me, your favorite girl, Mary J Black in the beauty, baby. So guys, I just woke up now, pray, brush my teeth, and going through all my messages, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and all that. I have a lot of messages because that's what I always do in the morning, reply back all my messages. Oh yeah. So guys, let me check. I've not seen Miss Mohammed this morning. Let me knock on her door if she's around or not. Maybe she went to school. Let me check. It's a little bit cold here, so I need to put on my cardigan because I'm catching cold. Let me check Miss Mohammed if she's around. Oh, she went to school. Miss Mohammed. Hello. Hello. Oh, guys, she's not around. She went to school. Miss Muhammad went to school. You guys. So guys, I've been sick for the past 1 week. I'm not feeling fine because I have pneumonia prone to asthmatic. So I've been sick for like a week now, and my mom sent me some traditional medicine that I need to use. There's a traditional medicine that I need to use. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I've been taking it for like 5 days now, and I'm feeling a bit okay. I'm feeling a bit okay. So guys, good morning guys. How you all doing? Hope it's fine with you and everyone around you. So guys, wow, let me show you guys something. Amina stole one of my guruba. Yeah, Miss Mohammed, she stole one of my guruba because this is how what's guruba. I know a lot of people who know what's guruba. Maybe those that's Africans, we know what guruba is. Most especially those from Nigeria, Sokoto and Niger. Those part of that is northern part of Nigeria. You guys will know what is guruba. This is how guruba looks like, and I so much love it because my cousin says when she came, she gave me two, and I can't find one. Meaning, Miss Mohammed ate one. She stole one. Not that she stole one, and I'm left with one. Actually, it's not that it's sweet though. It's not that it's sweet though. At the same time, eating goruba is not just easy. It's not easy at all. Let me show you guys how to eat goruba. You guys will know that it's not easy. Can you guys feel the sound? This is how to eat goruba. Guys, this is how to eat goruba. But we love it. We love you so much. If you know Goruba, you guys should please comment down below. If you, I don't know what's called in your own language, so I don't even know what it's called in my own language also, but northern part of Nigeria we call it Goruba. This is how it looks like. Goruba. Please, you guys should please comment down below. So guys, I woke up this morning thinking of what to do next, because I don't know if I'm the only one going through this kind of thinking. Like, you just wake up in the morning thinking of what next content to create. If you're a YouTuber, you will relate. You know how it feels like waking up in the morning, thinking of what next to do. It's not just easy, you know, guys, because we've never like sat down and like jot what to do, like this is what we need to do on Monday, this is what we need to do on Tuesday. We've never jotted it down. We've never done that. You know, we just wake up in the morning. I'll be like, maybe Miss Mohammed, let's do this today. Miss Mohammed can wake up in the morning and be like, Mary J Black, let's do this today. That's how we normally do things. But we've never jot anything down. It's just normal. So today I just woke up like thinking I have like 10 ideas to do. You understand? 10. Miss Mohammed says she has like 20. That was what she told me last night, that like 20, while I have like 10 ideas now that I'm thinking of doing. Like, one, I've never fixed my nails before. I've never fixed my nails. I don't even know how to fix. I've never fixed my nails. And the funniest part of everything, I once worked in a salon. I learned salon. I know how to do hair. I know how to do everything, but I've never fixed my hair and I've never fixed my nails in my life. So guys, and that's what I'm thinking of doing maybe next of my content. But today I'll be doing full face makeup, that with just one lipstick. Yeah, full face makeup with one lipstick, guys. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Full face makeup with one lipstick, like my eyebrow with lipstick, my eyeliner, eyeshadow, everything with just one lipstick. So guys, you guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to share this video. Let's make it go viral, guys. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Guys, I can't believe it that I'm at 20k subscribers, guys. Wow. Let me tell you guys something. You guys have changed my life completely. You guys have helped me build my career. In fact, I'm nothing without you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. You guys means a lot to me. You guys means a lot to me. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much. I hugely appreciate for all the support, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell for more of my interesting videos, guys. And don't forget to always show us a love. You know, we love you so much. So on today's topic, we'll be having a full face makeup with a liquid lipstick. Yeah, guys. So I have my friend here, Estelauda.
Hello.
Actually, she's a friend. At the same time, she's a makeup artist, so she'll be the one applying the makeup on my face. So guys, let me show you guys the lipstick is with her. So you guys should please stay tuned. Let's see how it will unfold. Let's see how it will look like. So you guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell for more of our interesting videos, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, please share. Let it go viral. So guys, that's my final look.
It's so funny.
Guys.
It's so funny. We've never done this before. Like, it's just it's just funny. Like, I know you guys are laughing out there right now, but don't mind us. We're just goofing around.
So guys, can you see my look today? Full face makeup, lipstick liquid challenge. Yeah guys, so this my final look. At least I can go,
Clown.
but you know I can go to the market like this.
Okay.
Believe me, I can go to the market like this and shop. Guys, am I not looking good? Say the truth and shame the devil, guys.
You know, over here in the north, you dare not.
People will be like, maybe they'll call my mom that Mary J. Blood, I said, they'll just be like, Mary J. Blood, dear, Ejo. So, I cannot go out like this, guys, but at least, let me see. Guys, am I looking okay, guys? Please, you guys should please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share, hit the notification bell for more of our interesting videos, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please make it go viral.